Hi guys, today we're gonna open a mystery box that I got from Olivia Grey, which is a leather accessories brand. It cost me £30, and when I was ordering the box, I thought it would be just some back straps or keychains. But the box came. It's quite a decent size, so we might be up for a treat. It might be a bag. Let's have a look inside. And if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Anna. I like to find great deals on mystery boxes and blind boxes and share them with you. So if you're into it, just comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Have a look at other playlists that I have done with some beauty products, mystery boxes, and some trending blind boxes. I'd love to hear your comments. And now onwards to the unboxing.
Got a parcel from Olivia Grey. It's a white box with this lovely branded tape. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a good tape. I think I'm gonna need some scissors actually. Now, this box came in quite decent size. I thought it would be only some little bits because it only cost £30 to buy this mystery box. But it seems like we might get a bag. Can't wait to see it. I pick up the neutral color palette. Hoping for blush accessories. Oh, look at that. Lovely thank you card. A gift just for you. Unwrap me carefully. Inside you will find a beautiful gift that is one of a kind. How nice is that? Lovely branded tissue paper, or vellum paper rather, and we have a black canvas bag which holds our mystery gift. Mystery bag. Oh, look at this. It's lovely pebbled leather. Tassel. What's inside? I guess it's a one compartment bag. Very nice shape, very versatile, everyday bag. Does it say here? Genuine leather made in Italy. Ooh, that's lovely. No wonder it's so well made. And then there's a funky leopard print strap to go with it. Similar colors, similar color palette, but just a little bit of a animal print. Very nice. Let's see how it goes together actually. The hardware is quite good as well. It's not too thin. It's metal. It's all plated in gold color to match. Very nice. Oh, I'm well pleased. This is the bag again. The leather is actually really nice and soft. I love the little details on the tassel. So if you want to get your own, go to Olivia Grey website, all bags, and there you have mystery bag boxes. And at the moment there's only one mystery box for £30 there. You can pick up your colors, darks or neutrals. I'm really gutted that there isn't any of the pastels or the saturated colors. But you can do personalization with your initials and pick up if you wanted gold or just blind. And you can have it gift wrapped. And that's it.
So there you go. We got a lovely pebbled leather kind of mushroomy color bag. It's gonna make a great gift for someone I know. I really think it's worth it. I really think you should go and get yourself one of those bags. They're really useful size, lovely make, nice soft leather, have a funky strap with it. You can't ask for more really for that price. Go to Olivia Grey, get yourself one, and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.